issued a special marine warning for Calcasieu Lake. Coastal waters from
What?
Cameron, Louisiana to High Island, Texas, out 20 nautical miles.
Are we
Coastal
confused?
Waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana, out 20 nautical miles until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:45
Guys, we're confused because WXK80 doesn't serve Calcasieu Lake. That's K342.
Miles southeast of West Cameron 45, or 14 nautical miles southwest of Cameron, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Cameron, West Cameron 62, and West Cameron 45. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible.
Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.